Dear students, now we will study mole concept. Now this is very unique and very interesting concept which is going to be useful for us throughout your journey of chemistry 11th and 12th. First, we'll understand what is mole. Mole is a unit of amount of substance. It's an amount of substance, no unit check. Okay, so this is what we are aware of it. It is unit of. Okay, so what is exactly mole? Let us take in this way. We'll write few words: dozen, gross, score. 1 dozen, 1 gross, 1 score. 1 dozen એટલે કે 12 piece come together to give me 1 dozen. 1 score means 144 items or pieces comes together to give you as a number 1 gross. 20 pieces પતંગો લેવા જઈએ છે કોડી કોડી એટલે score. So this is called 1 score. So these numbers are representing one unit of pieces or atoms or that one. So 1 mole, same 1 mole is also a quantitative, a name for a group. Okay, and 1 mole is equals to how many atoms? 0 to 2 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. You can say that. This is what we have to understand. Okay, હવે ક્વેશ્ચન થાય કે હાઉ કેન આઈ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ મોલ? નંબર ઓફ મોલ્સ કાઉન્ટ કેમ ના કરવાના? તો કે નંબર ઓફ મોલ્સ, યુ હેવ ઓલરેડી સ્ટડીડ ધીસ ઇન 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ. Moles can be calculated in following way. So guys, n is equals to given mass of substance or atom of element આપ્યો હોય તો એલિમેન્ટની વાત કરવાની, કમ્પાઉન્ડ આપ્યો હોય તો કમ્પાઉન્ડની વાત કરવાની, ડિવાઇડેડ બાય મોલેક્યુલ હોય તો એનો મોલર માસ લેવાનો, નહીતર એનો એટોમિક માસ લેવાનો. In short, n is equals to small w upon capital M. This is the formula which we are going to use to find it out mole, number of moles of compound. So let's try with an example. The question is given, find the number of moles of following. Okay, number 1, 5.83. 85 લખીએ ચલો, of NaCl. Second, 0.98 gram for H2SO4. Okay, now let us see this one. Yesterday we studied about how to find it out molar mass of a compound. तो पहला पहलू શું find કરવાનું? number of moles છે એટલે we have to write down formula. Now W is equals to given mass. So what is given the given mass in the first question? It is 5.85 gram. I did not mention here 5.8 gram. 5.85 gram. Okay. Now molar mass of NaCl. So how can we calculate? Yesterday already we have studied that Na નું 23 atomic mass છે, chlorine નું 35.5 છે, એટલે total answer શું થાય? તો કે 58.5 mole per gram. Okay, so let's substitute these values over here. 58.5 divided by 58.5 છે, 5.85 છે, sorry, this is what the .5. તો આન્સર શું આવે છે અહીંયા? You can see આપણે ડેસિમલ કાઢીએ તો 585 नीचे भी दिस इज 5, माय मिस्टेक, 585, ओके। नीचे डेसिमल जाए तो ऊपर 10, नीचे 100, this cut 0 0 cut, like answer 1/10, and 1/10 means what, 0.1 mole. So dear student, this is the way we have to find it out, number of moles. We have to find it out number of moles. So guys, in this way you can find it out number of moles. So please watch this video again and again and do certain questions which I'm going to give you as an example in to do in the book. Okay, so this is what I'm really concerned about. Clear? Let's have one more question for you to solve it out. The second one. Let's solve the second one. Second one is H2SO4. As usual, write down the formula. W is equals to given mass. What is given mass? So given mass is given over here 0.98. Molar mass of H2SO4. So how can we do that? Yesterday we have studied this. 2 times hydrogen plus 1 time sulfur plus 4 times oxygen. Keep it in your mind. The number giving is subscript can be written over there. So now atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of sulfur is 32, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 2 plus 32 plus 64 gives me 98 gram per mole. So your answer N is equals to W. What is W? W is given 0.98 divided by 98. તો આન્સર શું થાય? તો કે ડેસિમલ કાઢી નાખીએ એટલે this is my technique. You can easily use calculator which is already given to you. Can utilize that, use it. એટલે 1/100 અને 1/100 એટલે શું બેટા? તો કે it's 0.01 mole. એટલે કે તમને ખબર શું પડે કે if 0.98 gram is given, then how many moles of H2SO4 is that? That is 0.01 moles of H2SO4. Clear? Now second thing, 1 mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. કાં તો આ એટમ્સ હોય કાં તો આ મોલિક્યુલ્સ હોય. Okay, so if somebody asks you find out the number of molecules in this mole, તો શું કરવાનું? તો સિમ્પલ, number of molecules is equals to, guys આ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરી દેવાની, n into na. Na એટલે શું? તો this is Avogadro's number, dear student. This is Avogadro's number. So guys, we are aware of it. What is number of moles? Hydrogen H2SO4 number of moles કેટલા થયા? 0.01 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now અહીં એક ટેકનિક વાપરવાની. આ 0.01 છે ને એને આ રીતે લખાય 10⁻². Yes, and we can write down in this way 10⁻23 થયો. આન્સર શું થયો? તો કે આ 6.022 લખી દઈએ પહેલા. હવે if I have exponent whose base is same and power are different, can be multiplication, then there will be addition. હવે આ બંનેનું કરીએ એટલે આપણને મળે શું બેટા? તો કે we got it 6.022 into 10 to the power 21. These are the number of molecules. These are the number of molecules. કોના molecules? તો કે આટલા ગ્રામ એટલે કે 0.98 ગ્રામ of H2SO4 માં આટલા molecules H2SO4 ના હશે. This is what it wants to say, and this is what a magical things that we have studied today. So guys, there are certain examples which I'm going to give you right now to solve 5 examples I'm going to give you. Please do it and respond it to me and send it to me, okay, on Google Classroom. Thank you. And let's see the homework. I'm going to give you homework. Please note down the homework to calculate both the things I'm going to give you. Number of moles and molecules of the following. Number 1, 6.3 gram of HNO3, 0.01 gram of calcium carbonate, 36.5 gram of HCl, 0.6 gram of CH3COOH, 0.56 gram, sorry it is 56 लखवानी के 56 लखेंगे 56 5 ग्राम में 0.56 gram of KOH. So these are the 5 examples which I have given you to solve. Please do it and submit it to me on Google Classroom.